Hi, my name is Chris and I have some great products that we're going to show you today from Bikehand. Bikehand is a company that has been making bike tools for more than 25 years. Next I'm going to show you this truing stand. It's very sturdy, good quality, everything on it is adjustable. First of all, you can adjust any width wheel to fit it, then adjust it down to the rim and then bring it into the rim. And it's then tightened with an Allen key. Fully adjustable. And it can also be mounted onto the bench. So everything on this is adjustable for any wheel. I hope you have enjoyed this video and the products that we have shown. If you need any more information on the products, then go to bikehand.com.